Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Thursday and 11:30 ng umaga. Papunta tayong work. Ano siya, ang tawag late yung work ko ngayon, and it's nice kasi nga nakatulog ako ng matagal-tagal. So anyway, Martin's driving me. Pagod siya. But anyway, he's driving me to work, and yeah, it's raining, it's cold, but it's fine because I'm just gonna be inside the shop anyway until 7 in the evening, and I feel much better now. I still got the cough, but not, you know, that kind of cough na non-stop, na hindi ka na makahinga, na minsan parang may dugo na yung ano mo, kasi parang naano na siya, nasamad na ba yung dito. But anyway, today is, I feel much better. I've been working since Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today's Thursday. So it's my third day of work after ko nagkasakit. And
this video is sponsored by Monster Energy Drink.
shut up, Martin.
Apparently not.
Yeah, hindi kasi siya umiinom ng kape, guys. He doesn't drink coffee. Ako yung makape talaga, and yeah, so he just drink energy drink, and it's not healthy. Oh yeah, we know it's not healthy, but he drink it, you know, once a day or something, so it's fine. Sarap ng kape ko. So yun, I hope it's not gonna be that busy dun sa shop namin, kasi yesterday I had so much projects, like, and not so much project, but pero may parang one project na you have to be done for that day, and I was not done. It's like rearranging the department, you know, making it look nice, pero hindi siya tapos. Tapos may guidelines naman din na parang ipa-follow mo. So yeah, hindi ko natapos, but supposedly it was deadline yesterday. I don't care, I'll do my best today, I'll do better today. So
a cup of coffee in the morning, and I get the paper. I check the headlines and decide that I am bored.
tapos ng work, kain tayo. Kami lang yung tao.